camera is perfect, the picture and everything, but as soon as I put the memory card in it, inside up here, the screen freezes up. It won't do anything. I'm gonna plug I'm gonna plug in the lighter and the camera will turn on. But the screen can't do nothing. See, you can shut it down in a couple of seconds when you hold the button. Now it's all good. Then it's back on. The picture is just standing there. So what I always try to do is I'm going to unplug it, take it all off. It's hard to do this with it. Okay. Camera is perfect. I see nothing broken on it. See, I got the memory card inside. I put the one that comes with it, but it's not working, so I went to buy a new one, and it's the same thing. So the only way camera turns on and working when I take the SIM card or the memory card out. I'll do that right now. Just take that out if I can somehow. Oh, okay. Always like this. See, I'll take the memory card out. Okay, I just did. And when I turn on the camera, it will turn on and it's gonna start working. As soon as I put it, see? I'm gonna start working. Hope so. Barry, come on. Barry's to avoid any charge, see? In. I can't do it with one hand, man. Just plug in real fast. Where you at? Where you at? Okay, I plugged it in. See, I pulled the memory card out. I see the camera working. No problem. Picture is perfect, you know. Outside, it's no problem. As soon as I push the memory card inside, the screen just freezes up. You can't do anything about it. So I'm gonna return this one and reorder a new one because I like this camera. It's just I hope the second one's gonna work. That's it. Everything else is good.